What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As promised in the last video, we are shooting drones today with shotguns. This is my good buddy Chris. Tell me a little bit about what we're doing today.
I think we're just gonna shoot some guns, shoot some skeet, try to stay out of trouble, just have some fun.
Y'all ready to get started? Chris, start the montage.
Let's do it.
All right, Chase, what's going on here?
Don't really know. We're just gonna pull this table over in the shade, so when we're shooting, we're not in the direct sun, getting burned up by the Georgia heat. Go ahead.
Oh!
Wait, it did it just fine, so you got on it.
Hang on. Dang, pull's actually pretty smooth. All right, so we got 3 non-working drones. They'll fly, but you can't control them. This one, the camera's bad in it, so it's pretty much trash. So I figured what better way than tie some clay targets to it and see what we can do. And then this one right here is all jacked up because it won't fly. We don't even have a controller for it, so it's getting tannerite strapped to the top of it. What's wrong with this one, Chris?
That's just out of date. The controls aren't well.
So what do you guys use these for, like roofing stuff, or what do y'all do with these?
Yeah. We use them to inspect roofs at my normal day job. They've seen their better days, so we upgraded to the new Mavic Air 2s. Figured we could get rid of these somehow. Interesting.
Cool. What the heck is this right here?
I'm not sure, but I know this is A and this is B. And when you mix them together, they go boom.
Okay, should be fun.
Easy enough. This is a piece of crap disposable IO AK-47. I bought it about 2 years ago. I think I've only shot it maybe like twice, but I'm gonna see what it's made of today. 2-1. It will hurt.
All right. This is futuristic skeet shooting right here.
So this is gonna be pretty fun. This will be interesting.
Dude, that's cool.
That was pretty cool, wasn't it? All right, so this time we're gonna do 2.
You know what we can do is you got 2 holes in it. Tie the other one hanging even lower. So I'll hang this one at the same height as that last one. I'll hang the next one even lower. And then you can shoot the bottom one first and then shoot the top one.
All right, just so y'all know, we took it and we drilled little holes in it and we're tying fish line to it and then tying it around the drone and letting it dangle down.
Oh my gosh. All right, Chase, show them how it's done.
There it went. Whatever name brand that is.
Drone.
This is it. No GPS at all.
So y'all are gonna actually shoot this one out of the air?
Yeah. You want to shoot it?
Ah, sure. Why not? Oh shit.
Oh, look at that. Smoking. Whoa!
It's cut off.
Man.
Hey guys, we're doing a free
You weren't
giveaway
supposed to
next
hit
week
the
on a drone.
Did you get it?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, those are holes. All these are the holes. It's just
Yeah.
not penetrating the plastic.
It's hitting it, but it's hard plastic, so it's not penetrating it. Explosive. It says shake it up.
Set it under it.
I can't tear it off. It's so we set up tannerite, and now we are putting a drone on top of it. I have a slightly used DJI Phantom 3 drone, 4K quality for sale, really good price. Hit me up on Instagram, I'll ship it to you. Free shipping too. Shit.
Oh my gosh! I was not ready for that.
That was badass.
Like plastic from the drone.
Where?
Right there.
Oh my.
Drone. Did you stay on it or did you like jump?
No, dude, I think I stayed on it.
Yeah.
Look.
You think you got enough to do it again?
What, this one?
Ah.
Why not? We got a bunch more to do. All right, guys, so on this one right here, we got the DJI Mavic, and we got a surprise in the box. We're gonna fly it up. What do you think it's gonna do?
I think the drone is gonna like. Honestly, it would be incredible if the drone survived.
Yeah, that's true.
I mean, it's possible.
Might be incredible if I can hit it.
Yeah, I could that too.
I'll keep it still. All right, I'm flying it.
Oh! Oh! It survived! The drone survived. What?
Dude.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, I'm not gonna say I hit it, but I hit it.
Oh,
I was broke.
I can't believe that still flies.
Me neither.
Now you want to shoot it with a shotgun?
Yeah, let's go ahead and fly it.
Oh my gosh, dude. Dude,
It's a runaway.
I'm not doing that.
it's gone. It's gone, bro. It just flew away.
It said it don't want to get shot. Oh yeah, hit return to home.
That button, right?
Yeah.
Could you imagine that motherfucker come?
If it comes
Could
flying back,
you
it's getting
imagine if it
shot.
come flying back? That's pretty funny. You shot it, that thing was like, I'm out!
I thought you actually went around and was bringing it back around. I was like, damn, he's really good at operating this thing.
I flew it straight that way so you could shoot it. When you shot it, I thought I went that way, and then it just kept going.
Somebody's gonna pick up a drone. It's gonna be blown up. And they're gonna be like, what the hell happened here?
I'm curious how far it went.
It's probably in the middle of the lake right now.
No, so
Man, I mean, it was holding pretty steady.
Yeah, it
Pretty
was.
level.
so you can actually find these. It's still connected. Oh damn! Nope.
Let's see if it'll show like. You were like looking
I
up.
thought
Like
I thought I heard it coming back. Oh, that's gone. All right, so I guess we just need to pile them all up and just. What do you want to do? Blow them up?
Huh? We could dump all of these into this box.
No, I don't want to dump all. That's 10 pounds of tannerite.
Wow, exactly.
Oh, it's a landing
oh,
or
it's coming
something.
home.
Is it really?
It says coming home.
Oh. There it is! I see it!
Oh, there it is right
Oh my gosh!
Where?
there. Right there.
Holy shit!
All right.
Why'd you take off again?
There she is.
Oh, it's kind of impressive. I don't want to shoot it.
I cannot believe that.
Oh, there we go. That's the aftermath.
It's done.
Done. Oh,
Ooh. So we gotta save this now. Can't blow this one up. This one goes on a shelf somewhere.
Here we go. Got a little drone TP.
Yeah.
Oh, heads up.
All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video as much as we did making it. As you can see, these drones did not make it. The one that did make it, sorta, was the one that got shot 3 times and still flew back home from all the way over there. It is in my truck, so shout out to DJI. It is not sponsored by any means. Also, if you have not seen the last video, make sure you go watch it. The link is in the description. And help us get to 1,000 likes where my wife agrees to let me possibly build a Humvee. Until then, we will see you guys next time.